Welcome. There are multiple steps to be crossed to visualize/analyze eventually for achieving the business goal/decision from real-time data streaming that is ingested to Kafka continuously from various live data sources. A real-time analytics database called Apache Druid is developed for quick slice-and-dice analysis on massive data volumes. In this video we are going to see how Apache Kafka can be integrated with Druid. We installed and configured Apache Druid on Ubuntu 22.04 where single-node Kafka cluster is already operational. Apache Druid is too dependent on Zookeeper, so we can leverage the same Zookeeper instance that is already bundled and configured with Druid for Kafka Broker to run. We can abandon the previous Zookeeper instance that was running with Kafka Broker. We can switch over to this Zookeeper instance again when we won't run the Druid instance. Open a terminal and navigate to /Apache Druid 26.0.0/bin and execute /start Druid. Open a browser, probably an updated version of Firefox, by default available with Ubuntu 22.04, and type the URL as http://localhost 8888. Now start the Kafka broker, and we already created a topic named as first topic using the kafka-topic.sh from a terminal. Click on Streaming by navigating through the Load Data menu on the browse. And subsequently start a new streaming spec. Click on Apache Kafka. Update the Bootstrap servers as localhost 9092 and topic as first topic. Druid would fetch the real-time data from this topic once data/message is published to Kafka's topic first topic. Click on the Start of Stream radio button and eventually the Start button. Execute the built-in console producer script available inside Kafka's bin directory and start publishing a few messages into first topic. Click on Next Parse Data and proceed to the Parse Data tab on the browser. The messages would be displayed immediately with a timestamp. Please subscribe to this channel if you feel watching this video is worthwhile and will benefit your data science career growth, especially in data streaming and real-time analytics.